Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hey there! Today we're going to talk about market capitalization in the stock market. So what exactly is market cap? Market capitalization, or market cap, is the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock. It's calculated by multiplying the current stock price by the total number of outstanding shares. Market cap gives you an idea of a company's size in the stock market. A company with a high market cap is typically larger and more established, while a company with a low market cap is usually smaller and more growth-oriented. Market cap is often used by investors to gauge the risk and potential return of investing in a particular stock. It can also help investors compare companies within the same industry. Remember, market cap is just one of many factors to consider when investing in stocks. It's important to do your research and consider other factors like earnings, growth potential, and industry trends. I hope you understand the concept of market capitalization. Comment your opinion, like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the Tectonic Motivator channel for more interesting updates.